Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab, and behind me here we have our 2025 6.7 Cummins shop truck. So we've done quite a few shop truck updates here lately, and this one we're really excited about. We ordered the 2025 Ram as soon as the dealer would allow us back in November of last year, and we just got our hands on it finally a couple months ago. We've got about 5,000 miles logged on it, and the ZF8 transmission is living up to the hype. We can say that this thing drives awesome, it shifts amazing, and it tows awesome. So we're really excited to get some power on this platform, turn them up. Hopefully we get tuning available for these things in the future here. Meanwhile, we're working on products for under the hood, just like the rest of our 5th gen product line. We've had the truck in the shop on a few different occasions with the engine bay tore apart, getting everything scanned so we can get it into the computers and start some CAD design on all of our common products, just like we've offered for the previous 5th gen 2019 to 24. And we're really excited. You gotta have to stay tuned for this one, and we'll have more videos coming down the line talking about the product for the 25 platform. So make sure you stay tuned in and see what we've got coming. Thanks a lot for watching.